In the ruling, the Supreme Court pointed out that the petitioner was required to present a specific, concise and focused claim not extending the Supreme Court's jurisdiction. 2 applications were dismissed as they had exceeded the 7-day time span for filing a petition as per the Constitution, that of the order to the IEBC to produce certain documents and the notice to produce a marked voter register from numerous polling stations. Furthermore, the affidavit that introduced new material after the time span of filing the petition was dismissed, as it would have meant that the petition would surpass the stipulated 14 days of hearing after the day of filing. On the alleged technological failure, the 6-judge bench ruled that given that technology is imperfect, the option to revert to the manual system by the IEBC was in order. The judges, however, noted that though the manual system was a fallback plan, there were major weaknesses in it. The judges recommended that in the IEBC's agenda, appropriate action should be taken to safeguard the voter registration process with regards to the Green Book that had data which was not backed up. The failure of BVR kits was blamed on the misunderstandings and squabbles between the IEBC commissioners during the procurement process, which caused failure to assess the technologies in good time. The possibility of vested interests or even criminality was evident, prompting a recommendation from the Supreme Court that the matter be entrusted to the relevant state agency for further investigation and prosecution of suspects. The judges ruled that the petitioner's claim to injustice caused by IEBC on grounds of failed technology was unsustainable. The court also ruled that the removal of party agents from the tallying hall was procedural, as no party to the suit had contested evidence by the IEBC that party agents had become unruly when they were initially allowed in. The judgment further interpreted the Constitution on the matter of all votes cast vis-a-vis inclusion of rejected votes. The Supreme Court directed that the term all votes cast shall be used in future to refer to valid votes cast. The court ruled it had no jurisdiction to allow for recomputation of the vote tally. A further order required that each party should bear their own costs. For JSO at 7, I am Meline Miendo.